It's winter time. Did you know you should winterize your hair? Did you also know that you can grow 6 inches in 6 months? Yes, your natural hair can grow 6 inches in 6 months. You should join my Natural Hair Diamond program. What's that? You pay $1,500 up front, and I help you grow your hair 6 inches in 6 months. We'll change your hairstyle every 2 weeks. Silk press, blowout, ponytail, 2-strand twist, natural twist, roller wrap, twist out. Yeah. You change up your hair like every 2 weeks for 6 months. Join the Diamond Natural Hair Program. You can grow your hair 6 inches in 6 months. I got proof. www.stylistjohn.com 314-359-5499. I can get you fly. 6-figure sew-in. Those just choice words designed to help young men process. Look this way.
That way.
Yeah. Ooh, who is that? Who did your hair?
You.
Okay. Looking fine. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
I'm glad.
2 wings and a leg. Let me get the 2 wings and a leg. Well, that completes your order. I mean, I guess so. So y'all ain't got shit else.
All right, do a 360. Turn slowly. There you go. Ain't she pretty with those bows and butterflies?
Hey, thank you.
Children's Style by Stylist John. Do you like your hair? Ain't you pretty? Ain't you a princess? All right. Yes, yes. Look at that silk press. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Stylist John.
It's real soft.
She got inches. Let me see in the front. By Stylist John. Sewn in. Invisible part. Bam. Look at that hair all the way down here.